Good afternoon. My name is Alain Tello Robledo, founder of AtelTrainer's, Ancestral Healing Center. For many years, I have been retired from society. In my silence, I have been building with my own hands the center. On weekends, Maciel, my partner, and Chantal, my daughter, have been helping me. Today we present to you this center. Afterward, Chantal will comment it. Hope you are going to enjoy. Thank you.
Alain has healed of all his illnesses of the past, following his solitary path towards his essence, only accompanied from the distance by his wife, Maciel, and me, his daughter Chantal. But Alain has never been alone. The forest of the small valley of Ortunas welcomed him since the beginning. His small tent was his home until he built what we present to you today with his own 2 hands, and with the help of my mother Maciel and I on weekends. His only guide is his own essence in connection with. He moved away from all, society, family and friends, but we trusted his intuition, and both I, Chantal, and my mom, Maciel, are his only connections with society. A few months ago, Alain told me that the time had come to open up to the world, since the great change is coming, and coronavirus is only the first sneeze of a nature that is angry and tired of human unconsciousness. The center we present to you now welcomes you. The center is set on 230,000 square meters, or 2,475,699 square feet, of magical land. It is located on a land of forgotten life. An ancient settlement made its home in this beautiful place. Moreover, a large amount of red quartz fills the area with positive energy. It is set on a discreet and pleasant riverside of the little river Magro, passing through arable land, and it goes up towards the peak of a little mountain with views onto the distant horizon. On the summit of this little mountain, full of positive energies, the lovers of silence and meditation will breathe the purifying air of the region. Mountain hills, valley, Magro stream, main house, treatment room, cool and relax area, the center from the riverside to the top of the little mountain. Meditation and treatment huts. Ecologic, organic garden, orchard. Towards the dojo, ashram. Far from religions and human beliefs. Place of spiritual connection. Swimming pool. Volleyball court. Isolated and connected to renewable energy without intermediaries. Solar panels for electrical energy. Potable water from the well Alain found as a dowser. Ecological treatment plants. Bob, from the 60s, is part of our family and helps Alain with the heavier tasks. Climate in the valley. Hot summer days, chilly and pleasant summer nights, cold winters. What is taught? Transcendental healing meditation, intuitive sensitive healing yoga. Intuition and anticipation exercises with our eyes closed. Healing connection stretching. Deep movement technique, fusion of martial arts, yoga, tai chi, and meditation. Meditative Tai Chi. Day and night, transcendental walks of connection in the valley. Essence to essence treatments. Diagnoses. Channeling with pendulum. Shito touch pressures on the exact point to which guides the pendulum in direct connection with the patient's essence. Moksha, on the exact point to which guides the pendulum, in direct connection with the essence of the patient. Small needles, on the exact point to which guides the pendulum, in direct connection with the essence of the patient. Our friends, united by transcendental love, are all part of our family. Sam, Alain's first friend after leaving society and retiring in the valley. Sombra, cat that was born in the valley and is the faithful shadow of Alain, even though she's always connected to me. You cannot describe her love in words. Sammy came when his father passed away and has accompanied Alain in his isolation. We all play with him. Foxy, Zorrito, came when Sammy left to offer Alain an inexplicable gesture of union and love. Owls, power animal of Alain, and our nightly companions. Bernardo, my friend, the lonely wild boar of the valley, is always with us, protecting us. Alain built little houses for the birds and owl upon arrival. Titi, Wagtail, greets us by knocking on the window every day to share presents and love of union. Our little pond gives life to fish, autochthonous snakes who respect those fish, frogs, turtles that decided to make their home here with us, away from the river. Other friends from the valley who help and support us. The eagle, partridges, deers, snakes and protective kind spiders, river crabs, participants, individual healing spiritual retreats, ancestral healing courses and trainings, reduced group ancestral healing retreats. First ancestral healing workshop in London.
It's possible. Is it possible? You are prepared for that. So the practice, the intention. You feel what you need to eat, you feel what you need to drink, when you need to drink, and so you need to feel when you need to stretch your back. Not as a distraction, because it has a need, a necessity. Everyone make an interpretation of the reality. Okay? Yeah? It's true, but it's false. It's true. Every mind will make an interpretation of the transcendental reality. Stop. You will close your eyes. Don't try to understand anything. Just you will see difference of colors or some interpretations. The mind never stops. And about the black and the black circle. Don't try to understand nothing from the interpretation. So at the end it will close your eyes. So your mind will make an interpretation.
The AtelTrainer Books. Book 1. Psychofitness Holistic. Book 2. Zen Sport. Book 3. Transcendental Training. Book 4. Transcendental Love, Ancestral Healing. Far from any religion and human belief. Thank you, and see you soon.